Today, let us understand what are co-prime numbers. Now, co-prime numbers are the numbers that have no common factor other than 1. This means they have only 1 as a common factor. We can also say their HCF is 1. What is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. So, common factor and highest, it has to be 1. Now, let us take an example. Let me take, say, 13, 17. And let us also take, say, 19. Now, sorry. Factors of 13 are 1 and 13. Factors of 17 are 1 and 17. And factors of 19 are 1 and 19. We can also see they have only 1 as common factor. Hence, they all are co-prime numbers. Now, there is a very special property of these numbers, that numbers 13, 17, 19 are all what? They're all prime numbers. So we can actually conclude that all prime numbers are co-prime numbers because they have only 1 as common factor. Now let us take one more example. Say I take another prime number, say 7, and I take a composite number, say 15. Now, factors of 7 are 1 and 7, and factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Now, again, I can see that there is only one common factor in them, that is number 1. Hence, these are also co-prime numbers. Now, what do we conclude out of these? That if we take a number which is prime and we take a number which is composite, then they also have 1 as a common factor. They form co-prime numbers. So a combination of a prime number and a composite number also form co-prime numbers. Now, let us take another example. If I take number 1 and I take any number with it, say 12. Now, factors of 1 is only 1 and factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Though this has so many factors, but the common factor between them is 1 only. Hence, 1 with any composite or a prime number is a co-prime number. Hence, we conclude over here that for numbers to be co-prime number, I have that prime numbers are always co-prime. A pair of co-prime numbers can be made with two composite numbers or a prime number and a composite number. Also, number 1 is always co-prime with any other number. So I hope co-prime numbers is clear now.